I-ofisi yenkulu-baphathiswa kweli phondo iqinisekisile izolo ukuba umongameli uCyril Ramaphosa usamkele isicelo sokuba ubhishophu ongasekhoyo uGqirha John Bolana ahlonitshwe ngomngcwabo okhethekileyo. Oku kungenjongo yokuthathela ingqalelo igalelo kunye nendima edlalileyo uBishop Bolana kwiphondo leMpuma Kapa. Usodolophu wesixeko Nelson Mandela Bay ubabalwa Lobishe uthi ubhishophu nokhothamene eminyaka engama-82 ubudala uyifanele le mbeko.
Well, Utata is quite deserving because he has worked very hard for the country, and he has taught us a lot that without discipline and also without making sure that we unite the country, we'll never attain what we have received as a democratic state. He has been always emphatic that this democracy does not belong to us. Hence, we must harness it to make sure that it lives on even beyond our time. So he has been a community leader, an outstanding one that has transferred skills not only to his members in the branches he has across the country, but also to the locals around New Brighton, the schools he has contributed on to make sure that poverty and unemployment does not affect local people. So he's very much deserving. He has worked very hard to make sure that today we stand.
Inkulu-baphathiswa eliphondo Oscar Mabuyane umchazelo bishop njengomthombo olwazi nobulumko kumbutho we-ANC ukwathe ebekwa intsika nakusapho lwakhe.
So we always come here to get a lot of guidance, be it in the ANC or be it in government, when there are a couple of issues that would want to get views also from those who are looking at us from outside government. So we've worked very well. Even during difficult times, he will always be that voice of reason in the ANC. ANC has got its own ongoing challenges, teething problems, but you always come here and get a sense that this is a home, not only to us as individuals, also to the ANC. To me, he was also a great father, I must say. We learned a lot, and we will continue learning a lot from his teachings, and he's indeed leaving behind an indelible mark to our society.
Umongameli uCyril Ramaphosa nobendwendwelwe ikhaya lakwaBolana uthi ubhishophu wabonakalisa ubunkokheli bakhe ngethuba lexesha likabhubhane we-COVID-19 nanjengeko wabanefuthe kwindlela uluntu emaluzikhusele ngayo.
I got to know him more deeply during the time of COVID. He was one of those leaders, Bishop Bolana, who was very clear about what needed to be done to make sure that we save lives during COVID. It was at a very difficult time that I got to know him as a very wise leader, a leader who was calm even within the storm of what we were going through as South Africans during the COVID period. So I pay tribute to him, I honor him, and I respect him deeply for the contribution that he has also made to the community of Gqeberha, but also to the almost 3 million and more members of his congregation.
Inkonzo yesikhumbuzo sikaBishop Bolana iza kubanjwa ngomso eCumakala naseGqeberha ngoLwesine. Kwindaba zeMpuma Kapa TV, ndingusisipho Mdiki eGqeberha.